Are you interested in self publishing but not entirely sure how it works and think that it's going to be too difficult? Well, we're going to have a little bit of a look in this video about how print on demand works and how these services and online stores have leveled the playing field for self publishers. Gone are the days of having to order 1,000 copies of your book up front and trying to sell and ship them to customers. Now, there are a number of stores and services that can look after all of that for you. Let's take a look at how it works. Firstly, the author completes their book, obviously, inside and out, including getting their ISBN. They upload the metadata, which is the book's description, author details, etc., and pricing, into the print on demand vendor's website. I'm just going to call them the vendor from now on. And they upload their cover and contents for printing. The vendor then shares that metadata with all online stores and possibly retail stores as part of their catalogue. The online store catalogues the book in and makes it available for people to buy. Retail stores might also have it available to order if people came in and requested it. The readers will go to their favourite online bookstore and find your book. They order it, pay the sales price plus shipping, depending on the store, and sit back and wait for it to come in the post. The online store sends the order through to the vendor, along with the wholesale price and shipping fees. The vendor then prints the book or books and ships them directly to the reader. They also pay the author the wholesale rate less production costs. And as an absolute bonus in all of this, the author hasn't had to do anything. They didn't have to keep boxes of books in their garage. They didn't need to process orders and go to the post office and ship off the books. It all happened without them being part of the process. The money just turned up in their account. Of course, they spent a lot of time marketing and making sure that people knew about their book, but that's a different process altogether. The author can also order books directly from the vendor to sell locally or through their own website. They only pay the production price and shipping of the order. They might do this to sell to physical bookstores at events, book launches, and also mailing signed copies out through their own website. Print on demand vendors can also manage ebook registration and uploads. They generally ask you when you're doing the physical book if you want to do the ebook as well. It works pretty much the same way, and for me, if you're a little tech savvy, it's easier to manage this yourself and gives you more flexibility and removes an additional cost. If you want to learn more about the mechanics of self-publishing, visit dinkyloon.com to find out more about my book, Right to Launch. Thank you.